So let's begin with the first one. To make this, here we have already painted a pot with pink shade. Let it dry, and after this we have traced a flower. Into it we are going to fill with the white paint like this. Fill the flower with white. And we are going to paint the leaves with green. Paint the inside with yellow. And we are going to give some more details, buds with white color only. Now we are going to outline it using black outliner. So this is ready. Let it dry. And in this we have planted denthus plant. In winters it grows more, but in summers the size of the flower has decreased. For the next one, you can see the color has fade, so we are going to paint it again using pink shade only, like this. Paint the whole with pink and let it dry. So you can see we have painted this, and we have also painted the chain. So thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Take care. Goodbye.